Is your website struggling to attract visitors? You're not alone. Every day, countless potential customers are searching for products and services just like yours. But if your website isn't on the first page of search results, it's like being invisible. Now, imagine turning that around. Imagine your website attracting visitors like a magnet, because it ranks at the top. Having a top-ranking website isn't just about being visible. It's about being found by the right people at the right time and increasing your traffic, sales, and revenue. But how do you get there, especially if you've struggled with SEO before? What if you could automate the process, ensuring your site rises through the rankings effortlessly? Join us for a game-changing webinar opportunity. Learn from the experts how to rank websites on autopilot with our revolutionary tools and strategies. Don't let your competitors outpace you. Unlock the full potential of your website and watch as the traffic and opportunities start rolling in. Spaces are filling up. Sign up now to secure your spot in our exclusive webinar and start your journey to the top of the search engines. Click the link below to join us. Let's make your website work for you.